Guess what? The moon might be rusting. For the longest time, we thought the moon was a totally rust-free zone. I mean, rust needs oxygen and water, right? And the moon has practically none of that. Well, get ready for a major plot twist. Chinese scientists analyzing the precious samples brought back by the Chang'e 6 mission from the moon's far side made a groundbreaking discovery. They found tiny crystals of hematite and maghemite, basically iron oxides, or what we call rust here on Earth. This is a huge deal. It's the first time we've ever seen these minerals in lunar soil, and it completely changes our understanding of the moon's chemistry. So, how did the moon get rusty without water and air? The answer is incredibly cool. Asteroid impacts. The samples came from the South Pole Lichen Basin, the biggest and oldest impact crater in our solar system. The theory is that when massive asteroids slammed into the moon billions of years ago, the sheer force and heat of the impact created a temporary, superhot gas cloud rich in oxygen. Inside this extreme environment, iron from other minerals was oxidized, releasing sulfur and forming these tiny hematite crystals at temperatures between 700 and 1000 degrees Celsius. It's like a cosmic blacksmith's forge, creating rust out of thin air, or rather, out of a vapor cloud from a giant explosion. But wait, there's more. This discovery also helps solve another lunar mystery: strange magnetic signals, or anomalies, detected around this same basin. The process that formed the rust also created magnetic minerals, like magnetite and maghemite. These minerals could be the source of those magnetic readings, holding a magnetic memory of the ancient impacts. It's like a fossilized magnetic field, preserved for billions of years. The Chang'e 6 mission, which brought back nearly 2 kilograms of this unique far-side soil, is truly rewriting the textbooks. This isn't just about finding a little bit of rust. It's about uncovering a whole new chapter in the moon's violent and fascinating history. It proves there's still so much we don't know about our closest celestial neighbor. What other secrets is the moon hiding? Thanks to missions like Chang'e 6, we're getting closer to finding out. If you found this as amazing as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing science news. See you next time.